Hey everybody, it's Muggsy here. I just thought I would do a quick video about upgrading your StorX Farmer node. So why do you want to upgrade your node? Well, from time to time the team will put out upgrades and they can fix issues. Recently, many of us were having an issue with our rep not increasing. Well, I'm not 100% sure if the upgrade is exactly what fixes it, or if it's simply a restart that's required, but there's a restart that goes along with the update. And it seems to have been fixing the issue for everybody by doing the upgrade. Regardless, it's good to keep your server upgraded anyways. So I'll just do a quick little tutorial of how to do so. It's very, very simple. You're going to want to go to the GitHub website here, where this is where you came when you originally set up your node. If you notice up here at the top, setting up the farmer node, that you ran this line of code before to set up your node. But if you scroll down, you'll see some other commands like how to check your status and how to upgrade your node. And there's two lines of code here. Both these lines of code are important for upgrading your node. This first line, this git pull, what it does is it syncs up your server and re-downloads whatever files that might have been added to the directory on StorX's end. So if a developer puts a new file in there, your git pull is gonna take that new file. So it'll download this upgrade.sh file. Many people had an issue. They tried to just run the upgrade and they didn't have the upgrade file there. And that's why you got to run that git pull to pull the file down. So once you have these lines of code, you're going to want to come here to your PuTTY browser. So when you set up your node, you went through PuTTY to do so. That's where you entered this line of code. So you log in with your login as root and then your password, and you'll come here to your root directory of your server. It'll say root at and then VM, whatever your virtual machine ID is. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go into the StorX directory. And this is a step a lot of people miss, and it's important. If you try and just upgrade from here, it's not going to work. You need to type in CD to change your directory, and then a capital S, and then an asterisk or a star. So CD, capital S, star, and you hit enter, and it's going to bring you to the StorX node directory on your server. See, now it says /StorX node. There's other ways you can get there. You can type out StorX node. Just the fastest way I found is CD space S asterisk, and it'll bring you right here. Now once you're here, that's where you enter this code. So if you come back here for the upgrade, if you click this little icon over here and click it, it'll say copied. And then you come back and you just right mouse click anywhere here, and it'll automatically paste the data. Here you can't control V to paste, you just right click and it pastes for you, and it'll automatically start to run and upgrade your server, and you're done. That's literally it. It's that easy. You just log in here, go into the directory, run that line of code, and you're done. And hopefully that'll fix your rep issue. I'm not going to run the code now because I've already upgraded this server. But what I will do is I will look at the status of my node. So if you come back in here to check the status, you get that code and just run it. See, I right click and it just pastes it for me. I don't even have to hit enter. It'll automatically run. It'll tell me my uptime. So before I did my upgrade, my server had been running for about 4 days and it only had 6 allocations, and I only had 2 rep. It was stuck there. So as you see, it was just over a day ago that I ran this upgrade, and I'm at 4,164 allocations, and my rep it's somewhere around like 800 now. So it really jumped up. So this is going to solve your problem, hopefully, if you're having a rep issue. And of course, in the future, you're going to need to upgrade your node every time that they do new code. There might be, you'll be back in here to do this whenever the developers find an issue or do upgrades or whatever. and I'm sure we'll get more communication from the team on when there are critical updates to this. So that's what you want to do, and that's how you upgrade your node. So let me know if this video was helpful, and enjoy making money.